So we know that normally to find a unit fraction of a number, remember a unit fraction is any fraction with 1 as the numerator. So to find a unit fraction of a number, we normally just divide by the denominator. But here we've got missing number problems, so we need to do the opposite. Instead of dividing by the denominator, we're going to multiply our answer by the denominator. So 7 times 6 is 42, so 1/6 of 42 is 7, and that makes sense because 42 divided by 6 is 7. Now for 1/8 of something is 5, we're going to work out 5 times 8. That's 40, so 1/8 of 40 is 5, and that makes sense because 40 divided by 8 is 5. 1/9 of something equals 2. Again, because it's missing number, rather than dividing denominator, we're going to multiply. 2 times 9 is 18, so 1/9 of 18 is 2, because 18 divided by 9 is 2. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.